So I was first introduced to DESTINI Estimator as an employee at Beck, and I was tasked with building quantity takeoffs and assemblies, and just realized really quickly the power that DESTINI Estimator had. As a senior pre-construction manager, I have a lot of face time with clients. I can easily tell the story of an estimate to an owner using the report system, and the sorting features in Estimator are very unique to programs like that. So DESTINI Estimator has really made my life easy in the fact that I can easily tell the story to an owner. Owners are very particular these days, and I can separate costs between building costs, site costs, garage costs, and really unique asks from the owner. I have that sorting capability within Estimator. So the main reason I would recommend Estimator and Bechtech's group is great. They're easy to work with. I have some friends over there. I've developed relationships over there, for one. Estimator as a program has made my life really easy because it really helps me tell the story to the owner and the client, and it really captures the detail of the estimate that I'm trying to portray. I believe it's the best software on the market, obviously. I think that it's exponential potential and sorting capabilities. The reporting function's really, really nice, and it makes my job as a pre-construction manager easy. So one thing I would not have been able to do or accomplish without Estimator is really tell the story professionally to our potential clients. When I'm delivering a story of an estimate, I want the product to be professional, and you can't accomplish that with an Excel spreadsheet or any other program. DESTINI Estimator is the best program out there of telling the story and really allowing the owner to take a grasp of what this project's going to cost, and I can do that easily with Estimator. I really love DESTINI Estimator. I'm really excited about the products that they are going to come up with in the future. They continue to evolve, and they continue to make my job so much easier. My biggest problem is accurately telling a story to a client with their estimates, and a DESTINI Estimator makes that job so easy. I'm just excited about what's to come.